So, okay, let's go. Natural way. If you have a cough, you want to get rid of it, use pineapple juice mixed with ginger, garlic, a little bit of ACV, and honey. That will take care of your coughing. If that doesn't go away, you can use herbs like elecampane, emulin, horsehound. Horsehound is one of the best ones you can use, okay? Aniseed, thyme, and ginger. You can get a formula like this as cough. Very, very powerful. It's not only good for the cough, but good for your lungs as well, and chest and upper GI tract. I even use this when I'm on too many lives, my throat gets tired. I'll use this to help me. It's a cough remedy. Very powerful.